people! Hello, Diamond Babes, and welcome to another day of Life with Fritzy. And, sorry, I'm on my way to the store. If you haven't already, and if you haven't, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. You're missing out on all the fun, guys. Like, don't deprive yourself of a good time and some good videos with more. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so at the bottom. Subscribe. Please hit that bell as well right after you subscribe so you can get notifications of every time Miss Beautiful here, okay, post a new video for me and my family. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Today it is Saturday. Saturday, July 9th. Oh my God, July. I am so ready for summer. Shit, I wish. July 19th is Brad's birthday, but January 19th, and we are, I am going to the store because I had to get a couple things before this damn snowstorm hits. Pretty shitty. Yeah, so, it is stupid shitty. Sorry for my language, but it's the truth. So it's very cold, so I'm on my way. I don't know if you can see behind me, it's wide. The sky, wide. We're gonna have a major snowstorm. So before that hits, I don't have to get a lot. I just gotta get like a couple essentials like milk and eggs and stuff like that we don't have. I left everybody at the house. I gotta go take my daughter later to work, but I'll take this with me in the store so you can see like where, shopping and all that. What it's not like a haul. Thanks to my grandson that deleted my video, my grocery haul for the month. I was not like upset, like I was mad at him because he's only one, you know what I mean? Like he got a hold of my phone and boom, there goes the deletion of my videos because he was like, I had like on camera because I was still kind of filming a little bit, and I had laid it down, he grabbed it, and there goes my video. So, I couldn't upload that one. But I'll upload something, like, what I get at the store. Hopefully I have what I need and all that because of everybody at the store dashing, grocery dashing for food like it's the end of the world and shit, so I hope I had something. Like Brad was like, good luck, babe, because stores are crazy and he don't want to be in this mess, so he's like, I'm going to stay at home playing Fortnite. So, of course, that's nothing new. That's what Brad does. But yeah, so on this I'm going to check these in a little bit. I'm going to come into the grocery store and just hang out. Just not hang out, like I'm going to sit there on my phone and hang out. No, I'm going to get some stuff. But I'll check these in a little bit. See you in a few when I get in the store. So, I'm here at Hornings Market. Sure that a lot of you heard me talk about my little Mennonites and Amish markets. I call it both. It's Mennonite. No, I'm going to go in here to the store, talk to you in a little bit, and I'll see you later. And I'm back from the store, so this is just a little haul of what a thing I did. I didn't do much. I had to run to the store and get my daily essentials that I needed for, the snowstorm and all that, and other stuff that I needed. I got these 92 mega pack of storage bags, which I needed a lot because thanks to Penelope, I am stocking up and bagging up a lot of stuff. you know, for what is to come, and to store some once to buy some foods and stuff that I want to store them in plastic bins. So this is a way to keep them organized. So I bought that, which is a mega pack of 92, and they were only $4 for that big old box. I think I saw them in, I think it was no, not Redner's, Walmart. And Walmart, I think they had like for $8-9 or something like that. But this only bought for $4. I saved a lot there. And then I had needed Reynolds wrap because I was running out of Reynolds wrap. So I got that. That was, I think it was $2 of the 95 square feet. Pretty cool. And I needed the gallon storage bags, which is only $1.69 of the Ziploc, because I need these to store some other stuff. And let me tell you something, people, before I even show you this. If you have not got this, stock up with this one. Where I buy them is only 50 cents a piece. But these things are so addictive. They're very good. They're pear chunks with aca berry and blackberry juice blend. It is very, very good. It has antioxidants in it, so it's very good. Oh, come on, camera. Okay. So it has a lot of vitamins, so they're very good. I love them. Like the kids love them. So my grandkids and my daughter. So get them. If you haven't got them, please go out and get them. They're really good. And then I went to Dollar General and picked up some things as well. I'm doing a project, which I'm going to do a video on it. I'm not going to tell you what it is right now, but I bought some stuff. I picked up some stuff at Dollar General. Some rhinestones. I bought, you know, everything about these pink and purple, so I got this. I got some glue. I got some rhinestone letters. Whoa, mad glittery, like diamonds. Like me. Some letters is also as well, I'm going to tell you. And I got my daughter some chapstick. So those are some things. Oh, and these crimpets, I guess, because it's the storm. Brad made me make sure that I packed up on snacks. So I got that. But this is just, oh, I ran out of this. This is awesome. It's so good. I mean, they went up a little bit. They were 59 cents. They're now like $1. So whatever. It's still cheap. Okay, I want to go over this real quick before I bring everything on inside. I have everything stocked up here outside. See, we got iced teas, we got sodas, we got water, lemonade and iced tea. And these packs of strawberry milk. I love them. They're $2 at the store that I go to. So I picked it up because I love it. I started putting stuff away, some milk. Check it out, the orange juice. This orange juice is only $2. This big old thing of orange juice, which in Walmart like $6-7. I got it for $2. Awesome. I got that orange juice for 99 cents. I got that the other day. And hold on. I got these chickens to put in like in soup and salads and stuff like that. You know, of course I got that. And grapes and the eggs, extra large eggs, people. I got it for $1 or something. It was $1.20 for extra large egg. It's good. Brad needed his NOS, of course. That's about it for right now anyway. Okay, people, so I'm going to show you my snack bags. Here we go. So, you know, these are my caramel things. I told you I was addicted to these things, so they're good. Then I have our PA, baby. We love our tasty cake. So, well, the kids and Brad and my daughter and my other daughters and my son and our grandkids. So we got the regular crimplets, the jelly crimplets. I like eating these with coffee. So good. I got that, and I have my caramel things in there. So you know we doing it up like that. Ooh, we doing it up. No, let me stop. So that I have. Well, hold on. So I have this right here. These are like for the kids, filled with these pretzel and cheese. These are like the miscellaneous snacks we call, you know, the, what you call it? I forgot. The granola bars. Let me stop. Okay, so the granola bars, and you have the gummies. You see that now, whatever they want down there. The little gummy things. We got that Scooby-Doo snacks, you know. Those are, okay, then we have my daughter. Her pregnant self has to have Milano cookies. She loves these things. I'm going to put that in here, right up in there. Then we have a little chip pile here. We have a little chip thing going on. You know, all those dirty snacks the kids like to eat. I'm making sure these kids are not starving, driving me crazy during a snowstorm. Then we have, you know, of course, my daughter and her Tostitos, just ate half of them. She loves these hot flaming nacho things, Dorito things. Then you have the other, you know, Doritos, the other chip pile. And my daughter loves these, you know, breakfast essentials. So she loves those too. So that's what we had, people. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot one more thing. Hold on a second. Yeah, people, my family in their snacks. Check these out. My daughter organizes mad organized chocolates with chocolates. Hold on. We got the little peanut butter tasty cake things, and we got the, you know, the Nutty Buddies, and then we have the Dunkin' Sticks, you know, all these good essentials. And we have, you know, look at that, zebra cakes. We have those two in there. So, yeah, we living it up. Living the life. I mean, this is like, we don't all eat this all like in 1 week or month enough. We just stock up because I hate to be having kids and stuff asking me, I want snacks, I want snacks. So if I ain't stock up on it, we only give them like a snack a day, but this will last us for a while. So, you know, I had to stock up on this. This is my life. You know what I'm saying? My life. Check it out. Don't you want to be a part of my life? No, you stop. These are my little snack piles, people. My little snack piles. Hold on, people. Can't forget the kids' Flavor Blasted Extra Cheddar Goldfish. They love these things. Okay, guys. Before I really end this video, I want you to check out my shirt. I was wearing this today. I had a shirt for a while. I like to wear a lot, but you know, when I used to really work out, I'm gonna work out again. But you're gonna see, before I really work out again, check out my shirt. I work out because, hold on, I really like food. I don't like food. I love food. I work out to work off the extra calories. As you can see, it's working sometimes. Whoa. So, I'm running this here. I'm going to put this stuff away. I got to get stuff done. I'm about to edit another video, and I got to do another video that the stuff I got at Dollar General. I want to show you what I'm going to do with that. It's a project I'm going to vlog about. It's very important to me, something that I looked at, something that I've seen, and I like it. So, I mean, not that I did it before a long time ago. But I'm right now at a point in my life right now that I am trying to... I am doing nothing but positive thinking, positive vibes, doing positive things in my life. So what this project I'm going to do has a lot to do with that. So I'm going to be doing that, but it's another video that I'll be doing. So it's just something I'm moving forward with my channel and stuff. So I'm going to show you all that in a few. But yes, so I'm going to end it here. I got a lot of stuff to do. I got to clean up this kitchen. I got to put stuff away and all that. But thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to Life with Fritzy, please do so. You know, at the bottom, right there. You know, please subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, you like any of my videos, please don't be shy. Come over on our bandwagon, join our crazy self. Subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that bell so you can get notifications every time Life with Fritzy posts a new video. Remember that. On that note, I'm gonna let you guys here. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, wonderful day. If you live up north, like stuck up here, stupid beat up here. Please, if you don't have to go out, it's starting to snow out my way. So if you if you don't have to go out, please don't go out. Please don't endanger yourself or endanger anybody else on the road. Especially if you don't got 4-wheel drive or 4-wheel high and 4-wheel low like I got. Don't attempt it. Please don't attempt it, because it's just bad. It's just really bad. So just please be safe. Stay warm. Stay in your house warm. Please be safe. Please, you know, take care of yourselves. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, and just be safe if you're out there. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your day. If you had to stay inside, do like me and the kids, watch some movies, drink hot cocoa, snacks. We got some snacks, you know what I'm saying? Do what you gotta do. on that note, I'm going to let you guys go here. Remember, my people, that I love you. Also, remember that every day above ground is a great day, people. Remember that. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Remember to love one another. Put yourself in somebody else's shoes. But I love you guys. See you later. Thank you for watching Life in Freaky. Until next time. Bye.